Yo, what's up guys, it's Stormtrooper here, and we are back with another Minecraft video. And yes, we have P 1.2 here. Yeah, we will always remember P 1.1. Yes, the incident. And today, I'll be teaching you how to tame a parrot. And as you can see, I spawned some parrots up there. I mean, I just spawned in this world. Look, there's so many flowers. There's actually a lot of flowers, and I didn't place them. So to tame a parrot, you obviously need the food they want, and I'll let you guess for which food they eat to let you tame them. Okay, I'll give you 3 choices. If you get it right, remember to comment down below, and yeah, you can just start. So the first choice will be bread. That's the first choice. The second choice is seeds. The third choice is cocoa beans. Now, do you have your answer in your mind yet? Oh, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the answer is seeds. Yes, the basic seed. I actually haven't tried other seeds, so if you can tame him, and here's the fun part. Look, he's standing on your shoulder. He's standing on your shoulder. Let's see in third person mode. Yeah, look, he's on my shoulder. You can actually tame 2 of them, if I'm not wrong. So I'll pick another color. Now they will bounce off eventually. I don't know why, but they eventually will. So if I tame 2 of them, go down here. Oh my god, so colorful. This world is so colorful. Okay, tame, and so they will jump on my shoulder. I remember that you can have 2 standing on your shoulder. Wait, one of them. So yeah, you can only let 1 stand on your shoulder. I haven't tried other seeds, but yeah, this is how you tame a parrot. So let's see. It's getting dark. Oh, so I get it. You can do with any seeds you want. Just any seeds, melon seeds. Look, it's flying. And yeah, it's all about for this video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.